my baby dolls, welcome back to another video. So today I wanted this video to be a get ready with me video, but I'm not really doing anything today. I don't have nothing planned, so I'm just in the house, cute, you know, editing videos, and yeah, that's my life right now today. I wanted to do a fall look, so this will be a fall makeup tutorial because of course fall is here. Who doesn't love the fall? Like, it's everything. I'm feeling it right now. I'm loving it. I'm just not ready for the winter. I'm just not ready for the freezing cold and the snow. If you're in a climate where it's warm, you're lucky. So this is going to be a makeup tutorial. This can be a get ready with me. I don't know how this video is kind of gonna go, but we're gonna go with the flow, you know what I mean? So I'm not gonna do too much rambling, too much talking. I'm gonna hop right into today's video. I should have another club edition get ready with me this week, so watch out for that. Look out for that. I love doing those videos. Like, it's so fun. So if you guys really enjoy me doing like get ready with me's, the club edition get ready with me's, like, let me know. You guys seem to enjoy the last video I just uploaded, so I'll be doing more of those. So we're gonna get right into today's video. And I know I've been using my NYX micro brow pencil lately, so I want to use something different because I feel like I've been using that in like all of my makeup tutorials recently, and I love that pencil, but it's time for like a quick change. Let me know if you guys like have a problem with me using some of the same like products like constantly over and over again, because sometimes it can annoy me. Sometimes I be wanting to, well, all the time I want to use some things a little bit more different, but if I have a go-to, I have a go-to, and I really can't help it. Especially if I haven't found anything that I really like yet. So I just want to say that I want to see how y'all feel about it because I am catering to you guys and teaching y'all, so I would just like to know what my baby dolls think. So we're gonna take it very much affordable for our brows today. And the brow pencil I'm using is by Ruby Kisses. This is another brow pencil that I reach for when I want to change up. So in this same palette, I took this blush right here. I wish I would have used a different blush, but you guys are going to see me top another blush on top of this by Julia Place. And this one here, right here, looks more better for me for this look. It was more of a coral orange shade. I kind of took both of these, but more of the orange from this palette here that I just showed you guys. And it just really went well and more better with the look. And for my lips, y'all, I am using my favorite go-to, which you guys should know by now. This is my NYX Downtown Beauty Lip Liner. So I decided to use a lip that I haven't used in a while. One of my subscribers, my supporters, sent me this, and it's really, really good. Like, I love it. I've used this before, and the brand is Chutzy. Hopefully, I'm pronouncing it right. And I'll have the name right here in the video so you guys can check them out. But they sent me 3 lips, and this was one of them. I love this shade. It's definitely fall. So pretty. So this is the ending of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this entire look. It's definitely giving fall, okay? And I hope y'all enjoyed. If you guys have any other questions, please leave it down below and I'll get back to all of you baby dolls. And I hope you guys love this video. So yes, that's about it. And I'll see you baby dolls in my next video. Bye.